Dear students, today we will study about interjections. Short sounds or words spoken suddenly to express surprise or a strong feeling are called interjections. So what is interjection? Interjection is a word that shows spontaneous feeling or emotion of a person. Let's suppose there is a boy who has never seen Taj Mahal and he goes and sees it. What would be his reaction? Wow, what a beautiful monument. And if a same boy goes to an island and sees that it's very dirty, then what will be his reaction? Ew, what a dirty place. So wow and ew are expressing the spontaneous feeling of a person and thus are interjections. Interjections are always used mostly at the beginning of the sentences and followed by an exclamation mark. Interjections may stand alone or be a part of an exclamatory sentence. We can use interjections alone or we can use it as a part of an exclamatory sentence. They are mostly sounds, but some are words too. Let's see. For example, bravo, you won the trophy again. Here, bravo express the feeling of appreciation, of appreciating another person for winning. Next, wow, you have painted it so beautifully. Wow expresses the feeling of surprise. Here are some commonly used interjections with the feelings that express are listed below. Let's see first one, oh. It's used for sadness or wonder. Wow. This interjection is used to express the feeling of surprise. Hooray. It's used for happiness. Let's see an example based on hooray. Like, hooray, I won the race. Hooray is my feeling of expressing that I won. Alas. It's used to express sadness or sorrow. Bravo. It's used for appreciation. Ouch. It's used for pain. If a person hurts his leg, so the first word that comes from his mouth is ouch. So ouch is used to express pain. Ew. It's used to express something unpleasant. Hello. It's used for greeting the other person. Oops. This interjection is used to express an embarrassment felt by a person. So you will use in that case oops. Yeah. Pleasure about something. If you have any doubt or hesitation about something, you will use an interjection ew. It's used for to express feeling as something bad or difficult is over, so you will use an interjection ew. Let's see exercise based on this. Add suitable interjections before these sentences. Dash, I just cannot eat this. It expresses the sadness of a person that he cannot eat this. So you will use an interjection that is oh. Dash, it was a long trek. So it's also express sadness, so proper interjection will be oh. Dash, holidays are here. It express happiness. So you will use hooray. Dash, I hurt my toe. It expresses pain. So you will use an interjection that is ouch.